is about a dog, a greedy dog. This story is only for cute and clever kids like you. Let's start the story. Once there lived a dog. He was a stray dog. So he could not find food. He was searching for food here and there in the village. And he was walking through a butcher shop. There he saw a bone. He was very happy. He took the bone and ran away from there. And he thought, what to do now? We should go to the safest place so that no dog might take this bone away from me. He wanted to cross the river. He was crossing the river. While crossing, he looked down into the river and saw, oh, there is another dog. There was no other dog, only its reflection. But the dog thought one more dog is there. So, I want that bone too. He started barking. Bow, bow. What happened? The bone fell down into the water. Now, the dog was feeling sad and he realized, oh, I wanted to get that dog's bone, but I lost mine too. So, friends, don't be greedy. Do you like the story? Yes, what did you learn from the story? The dog itself said, don't be greedy. Okay? If you like the story, share with your friends. Thank you. Can you find the dog hidden here? Yes, here the dog is. Excellent, Chutis.